There is a lot of gap between the availability and demand status with regard to the availability of milk in the state. Though the state ranks second in the country in terms of milk production, we have a lot of cattle heads in the state, though there are 105 lakh cattle that are useful for breeding purpose. The production from these kind of animals, it's not as per the expectations. Though the per capita yield in the international, when we compare with it internationally, it's more than 20 to 25 liters per day. When it comes to the developed states like Punjab and Haryana, it's more than 8 to 10 liters per day. Whereas when it comes to AP, it's only 2 to 4 liters per day. So to enhance the milk yielding capacity of these animals, we need to take up breeding activities, and we need to take up these activities to the doorstep of the farmers, and we need to promote fodder production in the state. Already the government of AP has already initiated activities like fodder production under NREGS, and taking the doorstep services, breeding services to the farmers through Gopal Mitra schemes. There is a lot to take up to enhance the production in order to meet the future demands of milk production in the state. So to address all those problems, the government of AP, in convergence with FAPSI, we are proposing to organize one seminar on dairy industry on 9th of this month. The government of AP has already initiated the schemes like animal induction program under the title Pasukranti Padakam, distributing 2 animals, milk animals, to each of the BPL families, identified BPL families in the state, giving subsidy up to 25,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees per family. And apart from that scheme, the government of AP is considering to implement mini dairy units in semi-urban areas in a cluster fashion, giving 5 animals or 10 animals per family to promote entrepreneurship. So, giving the entrepreneurs who wish to establish dairy farms, they will be given subsidy under this particular scheme up to 50,000 rupees to encourage them, to attract them, so that the dairy industry in and around urban areas will be promoted. But this scheme is mooted to government of AP, which is under active consideration. When once this scheme is promoted, cleared by government of AP, this can be implemented in all the districts in urban areas, so that the milk demand can be met from the milk produced from these units.